Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen appliances and exploring what makes the Nuwave Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven the best countertop baking oven on the market. Let's get started. If you're looking to revolutionize your cooking experience, look no further than the Nuwave Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven. With its 12-in-1 functionality, this powerhouse appliance is a game-changer for any kitchen. First off, let's talk about its versatility. With 12 different cooking functions packed into one sleek design, you can do everything from air frying to baking, grilling, and more. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to streamlined cooking. One of the standout features of the Nuwave Bravo is its intuitive digital controls. You can fine-tune the temperature from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit in precise 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments, giving you full control over your cooking process. No more guesswork or primitive temperature regulation here. But it's not just about precision, it's also about power. With 1,800 watts of high-efficiency cooking power, the Nuwave Bravo heats up quickly and cooks faster than most convection ovens. Plus, its convection heating technology ensures even cooking and deliciously healthy meals every time. And let's talk about customization. The Nuwave Bravo allows you to customize the top and bottom heaters and convection fan independently for true surround cooking. Whether you're baking a pizza or roasting vegetables, you can tailor the settings to achieve perfect results every time. But perhaps my favorite part about the Nuwave Bravo is how it promotes healthy cooking. Its intense heating process ensures that most unhealthy fats and oils drip off during cooking, leaving your food more nutritious, flavorful, and moist, with its natural juices intact. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a countertop baking oven that offers unparalleled versatility, precision, and power, look no further than the Nuwave Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven. It's truly a game-changer for any kitchen. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews on the latest products.